remember this melody. It goes.
Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Oops, I dropped something. It's very heavy. So I have these 3 huge boxes from Smith & So today I'm sharing my Smith & haul with you guys. So I hope you like the video. So the Smith & hauls are mostly requested on my channel because they are the most viewed videos on my channel. You guys like Smith & hauls. So today I just randomly thought of shooting one for you because I have ordered 2 trial boxes and 2 products from Smith & shop section. So I thought of doing a Smith & haul for you. I hope you enjoy the video. Please continue watching. So the first we'll start with the trial size products, trial boxes. So you already know that I love ordering trial sizes products from Smith & I have a detailed video about Smith & I'll link it in the description so you can check it out. So in this you get 6 trial points and you can order up to 6 products, sample sizes from different brands, and sometimes you also receive full sizes products in this. So in my first box I ordered this one. So in this, let's see what we have. So as I had told you earlier also that they have an offer going on that if you order trial points, now you get a pouch free. So the pouch worth only is $4.99. So last 2 times I had received different pouches. This time I have received this kind of pouch. So this is the size of the pouch. It's a very good quality leather pouch. So as you can see from inside as well, it's very well made, and this has the Smith & logo as well. So this pouch itself costs $4.99. So this is our, like I can see, this is our first product that we got for free with the trial points. So this is the one, and another product that we all get recently, it's there that 0 trial points you get Skittles pack of 5. So this also I got, and these 2 are kind of complimentary with the purchase. So that's that. And then for the actual points that we have, so I had like 2 points to 2 serums I took. So these are the ones. So one serum is from Seer Secrets. It's hydrating toning facial serum, aloe vera and guduchi. So this is 8 ml, and this is from Sage Apothecary, vitamin C 20%, vitamin E and goji berry face serum, 8 ml. So both are 8 ml serums. So this one I have already used up because I received the box a few days back, and I genuinely love this product. It's a very good serum. Like, it has rosehip, so it's more similar to the rosehip serum from Good Vibes. So if you have not tried that also, you can try that also. And if you want this, then this is also available in the shop section on Smith & so you can buy it from there as well. So these are for 2 points, like this is 4 points. And then for 1 point we had this black onion black seed hair oil. This is from Wow. As you can see, it's original product, no doubt in that. So this is a sample size 30 ml. It was available for 1 point. Like 1 point is approximately 33 rupees. So in 33, like, you are getting a product from Wow, because their products start from itself above like 500 it starts. So this is the one. I genuinely wanted to try this oil. It says that it has no minerals, no silicones, etc. So I'll try it out. I have not started using it. Once I try, I'll let you know. So that's 1 point. And then 1 point I had, so I wanted to try something different. So this is by Seer Secrets Active Silver Iron Deodorant Cream. So I never heard of something like a deodorant cream. So this is how it looks like. So this is the size. It's 30 ml. Yeah, and its MRP is 102, and it's like a scented cream, you can say. Like as a moisturizer you can apply it and it will last all day long. It says that. So I have not used it as well. I'll just use it and I'll let you know. So that was in our first trial box. So then I had the option of converting the 169 into a again 6 trial points. So I did that. I did not go for 169 refund. You have that option as well. So then I again ordered another box because I wanted to try out some more products that came recently. So that in that box, this is the second trial box. So in this the 3 points were used up by this Aroma Treasure Skin Whitening Kit. This is a facial kit. It's by Aroma Treasures company, like by Pure Nature company. So Pure Nature has very good facial kits, like so you can get them offline as well. So in this I have got 6 packets. Like, these are the packs. These are stepwise, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 steps of facial. So if you are someone who does your facial by yourself, like buying kits, so this is useful for one time facial. So I have not used it. I'll use it and then I'll share my review about it. So this is the first product that has 3 points, and then remaining 2 points were in this. This is the plum green tea facial mist. So I use the plum alcohol free toner green tea one. So that is very good. It has worked really great on my dry skin, so I thought of trying out this one as well. So this one is a revitalizing face mist. The product packaging and the quality of the product is good, but just I have a complaint with the spray. So as you can see, it's not a fine mist, like it has chunks coming out, so it like disturbs the process of spraying, like it's very bad. Other than that, the product is good and the packaging is also good. As you can see, this much size you get, and it's a good size for trial, I must say. Like it's available for 2 points 30 ml. So that's our 2 points, and 5 points are over and 1 point was remaining. So I thought of trying out this is the Capiva aloe vera juice. So I have heard a lot of reviews about this Capiva aloe vera juice. That's very great. So it was 60 ml for 1 point. So I thought of trying it out. So it says that it has like 1 year expiry and it's very like good for your body and skin. So I thought of trying it out. So yeah, it says that it's pure aloe vera with pulp, 99% pure. So I have been trying this, like more than half I have used up. 2-3 days I have had this, and I did not like the taste as such, but if it's good for health, then why not? I'll just like buy another full size and continue this. So that's our next box completed. And in this box as well, I got the Skittles 5 and this pouch as well. So I have 2 of these pouch now and a lot of these Skittles. I love them. They are very good quality, like good candy. Then from the shop section, like before I had that 169 points, so I like they transfer it in like form that you get free shipping in those points. Like 169 is gets minus 50 accordingly, and that 50 is shipping. So in as you can say that they give free shipping 3 to 4 times you get free shipping in because of your trial points. So from that I ordered 2 things from shop section, so they had some great discounts. So this is the first product. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Clay Purifying Hydrating Conditioner. So I always wanted to try out this, but it was never available on sale anywhere else. But I got it from Smitten. The MRP is 185, but I got it around 110. So 110 was a great price for this size of conditioner, and from L'Oreal. So it says that it has 10% extra also, so that's a great thing. And it's a new formula that is like pure clay. So I have never tried a clay conditioner, so I'm looking forward to try out this. So it also has 2 years of shelf life, 3 years of shelf life, so that's a great thing. And then all the details are mentioned at the back. So, and the delivery was very quick. Within 2 days I got this product from the shop section. So that's first product from the shop section. And one more product I ordered from the shop section. So that's this is the Parachute Coconut Serum Oil. So I have done a dedicated review video for this. If you are interested, I'll leave the link if I have uploaded it, or else I'll upload it soon. So stay tuned. So this is, I'll just show you from inside how it looks. The packaging of this one is very tedious. Yeah, so this is the product. So this is the Parachute Serum Oil. So I was introduced to this by Komal Gudan. She is a YouTuber. So she reviewed this, and it's very affordable product. It costs around rupees 170, and on discounts you get it around 150 as well. So this is, like you can say, like the recent launch by L'Oreal, the Extraordinary Serum Oil. So this is exactly like that. I have tried it, so that's why I'm telling you. So this comes with a nozzle, and it's a oil based serum, but it will not make your hair oily at all. It's oil free in that way, but it says that it's oil infused. So this is not that typical serum that will go away in like half an hour. It provides full day nourishment. I always use this on my hair every day, like after taking a shower, like to comb, before combing my hair I use this. And as it is oil based, it can be used on your scalp as well to tame down your frizz. So for that also it's great. So I have like lots of good things to say about this. I have been using this since I guess 2 years, and I have used 3 or 4 bottles of this already. So yeah, that's all for my haul. That's all for the things that I bought from Smitten. I'll leave the Smitten app link in the description, so if you want you can sign up, and I have a referral code If you enter that, then you get extra discounts and your trial points. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.